Have you ever had toast so lush, so tasty, and so yummy? Those are the characteristics of my special toast. Let's make it. I'm cutting the bell peppers, red, yellow, and green, into smaller bits, and then I proceed to shredding this delicious roasted chicken I made earlier. I'll drop the recipe sometime later. Open my corned beef and set it aside, and in a pan with some oil I put in my sweet bell peppers and onions, add some seasoning, black pepper, paprika, sweet chili pepper, and then a tomato paste. Stir everything together and allow it to simmer before introducing your corned beef. Mix everything, incorporate, and then add your chicken, the shredded chicken, and this is what we have, guys. This mix is golden. Then I add some pepper to my eggs and cook it. Cook it anyhow you want, I beg. Anyhow you want is fine. I popped mine in an oven, and then that was what I had. Then you butter your bread and put in your yummy goodness, the eggs, the corned beef and shredded chicken mix, and some cheese if you're about that life. But if you're a fit farm, you can avoid it too. This is what we have, guys. This golden yumminess. I forgot to mention, always remember that it is the side that kisses the toaster that has the butter. I had my toast with this beautiful and lush yogurt from my baby girl, green and healthy, and it was a banger. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.